Welcome students. So in this session we are going to see the most important questions from unit 2 and unit 3. So for our IIT 2 examination, the syllabus is unit 2 and part 50% of unit 3. Okay, so we must know what are the questions are important questions, what are the questions are asked from previous year university examinations. Okay, so let us enter into video.
U.com.
So I collected these are the questions. So MJ means May, June, and ND means November, December. Okay, so odd semester and even semester questions. But your syllabus is new. Okay, your syllabus is new. Actually, these questions are from medical electronics. Okay, EC 6007 medical electronics questions. So medical electronics questions and OMD 551 basis of biomedical instrumentation, both are somewhat different. Okay, some units are common and some other units are different. Okay, but I am selecting the question from the old university questions, that is medical electronics. Okay, so this syllabus that is a OMD 551 is a new syllabus for 17 regulation. So there is no old university questions. Okay, there is no old university questions. So here we are having previous year medical electronics questions, but the syllabus is somewhat different. So we are taking the common terms from the previous year medical electronics questions. Okay, right. See, these are some questions I copied from the previous year questions. First one, with the block diagram explain the working principle of ECG recorder. That is a 8-mark question. ECG recorder is a 8-mark question. Then describe in detail about 1020 electrode system. So that is also come under ECG recorder. Okay, that is a 8-mark question. Then explain the working principle of isolation amplifier. This is from unit 3. Okay, isolation amplifier is very important question, but here it is a 5-mark, but in our syllabus it may be 7-mark. Okay, right. Then design a suitable amplifier that can be used in front of an ECG machine. So what is the amplifier that is used in front of ECG? That is a differential amplifier, that is from unit 3, or instrumentation amplifier. Okay, right. Justify your by specifying the features of selected amplifier. The features of selected amplifier means higher CMRR, higher input impedance, lower output impedance, then higher gain, then very low noise, etc. These are the features. Okay, so this question from unit 3, ECG from unit 2. Okay, with the circuit diagram explain the instrumentation amplifier. See, this is from unit 3. So instrumentation amplifier, differential amplifier, both are very important from unit 3. Okay, right. Then give the origin of bio wave and describe 1020 electrode system used in ECG. So 1020 electrode system, so that is come under ECG recorder. Okay, right. Then discuss the genesis of ECG and explain the ECG machine with suitable block diagram along with its variant configurations. Okay, unipolar, bipolar, these are the configurations. So block diagram of ECG recorder and the explanation of blocks, then different lead systems. Okay, right. Explain the different lead system used in measurement of ECG. That means the Eindhoven triangle. Okay, Eindhoven triangle along with the lead system. Uniform and explain the working of ECG recorder. Okay, right. With neat diagram explain the working of EMG system and also give the typical waveform that represent its signal characteristics. That is the EMG recorder. That is from unit 2. Okay, describe the 12 leads configuration. 12 lead configuration means that is Eindhoven triangle. Okay, right, used in ECG, and also describe the typical ECG waveform. Draw the ECG waveform and mention PQRST like that. Then you can explain the each time. Okay, so everything is present in my video. Okay, right. Then with neat diagram, explain the schematic diagram of EEG. Okay, machine, and also show the recording method of unipolar and bipolar EEG. Okay, so that is an electroencephalogram, that is also from unit 2. Okay, then draw the typical ECG waveform and its characteristics. Okay, so P wave, Q wave, R wave like that. Okay, so you can explain. Then draw and explain 1020 electrode system, that is a EEG measurement. Already we have studied. Then explain the different system used in ECG recorder. Okay, explain the international standard of 12 lead system used to record ECG, that is a Eindhoven triangle and 12 lead system. Okay, right. Then list and discuss the important characteristics of bioamplifier. This is from third unit, bioamplifier important characteristics. So that is a need of bioamplifier, and the characteristics it will be continue in the starting of the unit 3. Okay, right. So then discuss the detail about 1020 lead system. The lead system is very important question. ECG recorder, very important question. EMG recorder, very important questions. Okay, describe the typical EMG waveform and the characteristics. EMG is from second unit. Okay, right. Then describe the typical recording setup of EMG, that is also from second unit. Okay, EMG recorder setup. Then distinguish the biological amplifier from conventional amplifier with a suitable equation and circuits. So you have to differentiate the bioamplifier and the normal conventional amplifier, and by using some suitable equations, that means CMRR equations. Okay, gain equations, right. These are the equations are included in this question. Okay, so here conventional amplifier and differential amplifier or instrumentation amplifier, you have to make a comparison. So there is a comparison consists of CMRR, input impedance, output impedance, gain, bandwidth, then frequency response. Okay, these are the things should be considered in the differentiation. Okay, right. So these are the questions are asked from the previous year medical electronics subject, not from your subject. Actually your subject is a new syllabus, so no old university questions. That is an important thing. Okay, right. So from this, here I compared unit 2 and 3 with old syllabus. So the red lines are old syllabus, the blue lines are new syllabus. Okay, so biosignal characteristics, frequency and amplitude ranges is a new thing. Then remaining ECG, Eindhoven triangle, standard 12 lead system, EEG, then 1020 electrode system, unipolar, bipolar, average mode, then EMG. So from second unit, 3 things are very important: ECG, EMG and EEG. ECG recorder, EEG recorder, EMG recorder. Okay, right. And Eindhoven triangle. Okay, the 3 important questions are from unit 2: ECG recorder, EEG recorder, EMG recorder, and its types. Okay, right. Then Eindhoven triangle. Okay, that is a 12 lead system. Okay, these are the 4 questions from unit 2. If you study these 4 questions, you can attend any question in the university examination. Then after that, and unit 3, that is a signal conditioning circuit. So that is a new topic, a new unit when compared to previous year medical electronics subject. Okay, so the need for bioamplifier, differential bioamplifier, okay, isolation amplifier, these 3 topics are coming from old syllabus. The isolation amplifier is available in the old syllabus. Need for bioamplifier, differential bioamplifier. So 3 topics coming from the old syllabus. The new syllabus is impedance matching circuit, then power line interference, right leg driven is ECG bandpass filtering. Okay, so and the old from the old topic, that is a differential bioamplifier, isolation amplifier, need for bioamplifier. Need for bioamplifier is a very important 2-mark question. Okay, then differential bioamplifier is a 13-mark question. Isolation amplifier is also 13-mark question. Isolation amplifier has 3 different types: transformer isolation, capacitor isolation, and optical isolation. Okay, so these 3 are very important. Okay, so that we isolation amplifier can be expected from 13-mark question. Okay, so apart from these 2 topics, impedance matching circuit is a very important. Power line interference is very important. Right leg driven ECG is also important. Bandpass filtering is also important. Okay, so you must study all the blue line topics. Okay, impedance matching circuit, power line interference, right leg driven ECG amplifier, bandpass filtering. Okay, you must study the blue line topics because it is very important. They can ask any questions from these new syllabus lines. Okay, right? So students, from second unit you must study ECG recorder, EEG recorder, EMG recorder, and standard total lead system, that is a in-on triangle, 4 questions. From third unit you have to study, that is a differential bioamplifier along with need for bioamplifier. Okay, then isolation amplifier. These 2 from old syllabus, and new syllabus questions are impedance matching circuit and its types. Okay, then power line interference, how it can be removed. Okay, right leg driven ECG amplifier. Why we are going for right leg driven ECG amplifier? That is a very important 2-mark question. Okay, then finally bandpass filtering. Okay, so bandpass filtering, right leg driven amplifier, power line interference, impedance matching circuit. Okay, so these 4 are very important. You must study along with differential bioamplifier. Okay, right? So these are the questions from unit 3. So student, please do hard work and study well. You will get very good marks. Okay, at the end of this 5th unit I will give a consolidated most important questions. Okay, right, from all the units. Okay, right. Thank you. Thanks for watching.